Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial video, I'm going to be drawing Leonardo from the Ninja Turtles using graphite only pencils. This is a drawing that I've been wanting to do for quite a while. I've seen a few reference images online recently of some fantastic Ninja Turtles and they look super shiny, and I just wanted to see with this drawing if I could make Leonardo look quite shiny. I know these are imaginary characters, but I wanted to go for a realistic look, so I decided to go for just the graphite only. So as always, I'm using my Caran D'ache pencils and I'm going through 4 or 5 different pencils to try and get this look. You'll notice that I don't use anything to blend with other than a soft brush. So I don't use a blending stump, I don't use Q-tips or tissue papers. I have done that in the past. What I'm finding is with this layering process that I'm going through, using the harder pencils to begin with in the darkest areas and then building up into the darker values using my 2B and 4B pencils, that I'm able to lift graphite off of the paper much easier. So for this look, trying to get a slightly shinier look, I wanted to make sure that I could take the graphite off. So as you can see around Leonardo's nose area, there are some whiter areas, and this contrast against the darkest areas is going to give us that look of it being slightly shiny, or in some cases if you wanted something to look wet, it's exactly the same process that you would go through. This drawing took me about 4.5 hours in total. It was really fun to draw. I do like getting back on with my pencils every now and then. I know I've been doing a lot of Copic marker and coloured pencil work, but it is nice to go back to my roots sometimes and just have a go at something a little bit different. So I hope you're liking this video. Leonardo was always one of my favourite characters growing up as a child. I love the Ninja Turtles. If you have any requests of any of your favourite characters that you'd like me to draw, whether that's in graphite or pen and ink, then don't forget, send them down below in the comments. I will respond to you and I'll try and get every request drawn at some point. I'm having loads of fun with the channel at the minute, guys, so thank you so much for all the support that you've been giving me. You know who you guys are. If you've not linked up with me on social media, the links to all of my social media platforms are down below in the descriptions. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. But I'd also love to know, who's your favourite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? Mine's Leonardo. He's my favourite character from the series. But who's your favourite character from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle series? Here's a picture of the final piece. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.